My name's Kath Keenan. I am the Executive Director and Co-founder of Story Factory, and we are here today at the Sydney Writers' Festival with our prescription poetry stand. So at our stand you can come along and tell us anything that is ailing you, any problem you have. Maybe you need inspiration, you want more joy in your life, you're feeling a little bit sad, and our poetry pharmacists, who are young people that we work with, they will prescribe you a poem to cure your ills.